welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something different. Today I am rating y'all's wigs. I'm rating y'all's hair. I'm gonna let you know how I feel about it. I feel like if you watch my channel for a minute, you should be like the bestest wig installer ever to ever grace the world if you watch me. So let's see what y'all hitting for. I'm gonna make it a point to be, you know, not mean. I'm not here to talk about nobody. I'm not here to bash nobody. I'm only offering constructive criticism. So I ask that if anyone has anything else to say in the comments, that you be sweet. There's no reason to talk about anybody. It's just unnecessary. So any comment that I leave will definitely be constructive. Period. And yeah, so if anybody in the comments wants to leave like a comment, make sure it's constructive and not mean, not from a bad place. That's all I ask. So with that being said, let's hop into it.
All I gotta say is, mwah! And you already know who it is.
So I'm over to the side so we can have space for like the picture over here in this area. So I'm gonna select the first victim. And I'm about to scroll all the way. I didn't look at any of these yet, by the way. I wanted my reaction to be like real authentic. Like I wanted it to be like, wow, you feel me? So I'm scrolling all the way. I got a lot of them. Okay, I'm gonna do the very first one because, you know, you're first. So our first person is Miranda. Okay, Miranda. I'm about to put your picture over here. Okay, so I have some thoughts off bat. I don't really like that color. This color, did you do the color? Because it looks really nice. Yeah. Okay, so, you know, to the elephant in the room. I don't think this is a bad install by no means. It's not my type of install. I love a flat, like, hot combed, like, you know, and I'm trying to find the best way to say this. I'm not trying to be funny. I just feel like it would look a lot better if you hot combed it flat. Maybe I'm about to use my hot comb for an example. Maybe just hit it with one of these on the hairline, and then it'll just make your hair look a lot more natural. I think you're not screaming natural right now. I think you're screaming that I have on a wig, but it's not a bad wig. I don't know. It depends on how you feel. It's just not my type of install. So my critique would be to, for next time, maybe hot comb, you know, around the edges and the top. Invest in a stick. I don't know where my stick went, but I use the Easy Edges edge control stick. Use a stick. Go ahead and put it on top, and then hot comb it, and then I'll give you that really flat look. But yeah, I really like the color, and the lace look nice. So I'm sure once you go ahead and hot comb, you'd be on. But not a terrible job, Miranda. Not a terrible job. I don't really want to put, because a lot of people send they finsters. I don't want your real thing. Okay, this will look good. Okay, this is Alexis. I like her baby hair. I do feel like it could be plucked a little more, like behind it, because it's giving me, wait. But the baby hair is really late. It distracts me from the fact that your hair is not that plucked. But I feel like you pluck this wig a little bit. You pluck this wig a little bit, you be on to something. You be the fuck on to something. Let me look at the second picture. And the second picture does look a little more plucked, but I feel like you just pluck it a little more. Your baby hair looks pretty good. You be on to something. I can't see the lace. Like, you look good, period. But personally, what I would do is pluck it a little more and get it a little flatter. But that's just a personal preference. So if you like it like this, that's fine. I just don't think it look bad. Good job. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. Cause okay, her name is Jai or Jay. You're cute. You cute, girl. I'm gonna talk about this blonde to black. I love it. I really do. It looks so good. Your makeup is beat. Like, yeah, I don't got nothing negative to say. I like the little curly cues on the side. Maybe, let me see. You had a bang. That was real nice. Talk about this brown one. So I will say that I'm noticing that your part isn't that apparent. I feel like there's nothing like just making sure there's a little concealer in your part so it can give you a part effect. I know maybe some people might not be into that, but I really like a defined part. I feel like once you define that part a little bit, and I'm here for like the natural, because the natural, like, not everybody has to do the hot comb thing, but I like the way that, because your wig is flat, But I feel like all you needed was a little part. A little part would have set this off. A little part would have just, you put a little concealer on this part, boom, you're set. Like, boom, period. I like this. I like the color. Your makeup looks good. You look good, period. Now her talking about don't drag me. This is Kayla. This looks pretty good. I'm about don't drag me. Okay, this is Kayla. I'm gonna put everybody's Instagram like right underneath their picture. Maybe. Or maybe I'll put everybody's Instagram in the description box if anybody wants to follow them. I'll put their ads in order of appearance. So yeah, it probably won't be on the screen because that's just a lot of work. I'm gonna be real. But I'll put the screenshot of your picture. I'm gonna talk about this one with the edges. Okay, you was on to something with this, Kayla. I really don't mind your hair. Like the bangs was really nice. You had a little part going on, and I like the baby hair. The baby hair is nice, and it's flat. I feel like a little more concealer on this part, and you'll be on to something. Just a little hot comb and a little concealer on the part. That's all y'all missing, a hot comb and some concealer. Who knew it was that easy? A little concealer, a little hot comb, nothing crazy. I'm trying to figure out, y'all feeling these wigs, the highlight wig. The highlight wigs are really popping for them. Your skin is nice. Let's talk about that. Yeah, I don't like these baby hair. They're just not my style of baby hair. They're not ugly or nothing. Like by no means does this look like a bad install. It's just not my type of install. I would suggest, you know, grabbing out some more hair. And by more hair, it doesn't even have to be like a lot of hair. It can just be a small, where's my comb at? And but when I say a little sliver of hair, like you see how close I am. This is the edge of my lace right here. I know y'all can't see it, it's melted. So this is the edge of my lace right here. So if I go back a little bit and I just put my comb right here, I would only take about this much hair from that and make a baby hair with it. You feel me? And you don't need a lot of hair for the baby hair. Just a little bit more than this. And I think you'll be onto something. I can't see nothing else wrong with your wig. Your part is clearly a part. Like your part is parting. Yeah. All you gotta do is like, you know, step them baby hairs up just a notch. I got a baby hair tutorial on here. Watch that. You be good. Period. I'm not mad at it though. Your lace is melted. Yeah. I'm not mad at this install by no means. But your baby hair step up another level. You'll be onto something. Okay, come on, Valerie. Come on, Valerie. Come on, Valerie. Like what? I really love this color. Your skin is beautiful. Your part's there. And see, with these kind of installs where the baby hair isn't as like baby hair, but it's like it's natural, it's giving me like this is your hair. Yeah, you got the flash on, it look like period. Your lace is not like showing. I like this. And that's to show that you don't need a big baby hair swoop to have like a nice install. You just need it to look and lay naturally as it should. Yeah. So I like this. I like the color, period. You did good. I ain't got nothing to say. I ain't got shit to say. Good job. Okay, Yvonne. I'm gonna take a screenshot of this video. Face is melted. Your baby hair look nice. The only thing, y'all just really slipping on a concealer on your part. Don't sleep on some concealer on your part. It really just takes your wig up a whole nother level. Like I see your part, but I just know if you in a hot comb and concealer, I think it's gonna be the main critiques I gotta say. Is all you need is a hot comb and some concealer. And you can get a cheap ass hot comb from the beauty supply store for like $13. And a little LA Girl concealer for $16 just to get your wig like up another level. But your baby hair looks fantastic. The plucking job looks great. Your lace is melted. All you need is a nice defined part. In the caption she says, I don't need a filter, beloved. The skin is on melanin and the lace is on uncockable. No matter the angle. Y'all. I think, is this a synthetic wig? It's giving me synthetic, but not in a bad way. And it's giving me synthetic in a way that you finesse the synthetic and it looks really good. Like, but this is a good synthetic wig. I'm really here for her. You really, it's a special skill to finesse a synthetic wig. Like, I can tell that it's synthetic only because I know synthetic wigs. But if nobody knew, this is a nice ass wig. You really did your thing. The baby hair is laid. The parts is on part. Like, what? I don't got nothing to say. And then it's you give me this other picture. Yeah, your lace be looking good. Period, Shannon. Come on now, Shannon. Yeah, I like this. I like this a lot. Good job. She said I'd try. I want to be like you with the installs. Girl, this look good. See, this is an example of one with no baby hair. And it's not necessarily like hot comb. Like you see how mine is like hot comb to be flat and go this way. Hers isn't like that, but it feels natural. It's giving me natural. It's giving me scalp. It's giving me this is your hair. Your part's there. The wig is flat. What else am I supposed to say? You look the fuck good. Your lace is invisible. Yeah, period. You know what you doing. I mean, 2 pictures, and both of the pictures, her lace was invisible. And her part was there. That's all I asked for. Your lace be melted, your part be there, and your wig be flat. That's it. Look at her over there. Looking good. Period. Come on now, Noonie. And this is a good example of something that is not necessarily my style of how I would do my wig, but it's done well. You see the part, you see no lace. It looked like it's coming out her scalp. I'm here for it. I really am. Like, this looks good. Y'all know I'm gonna say something about it not being flat, but even if it's not flat, it's giving me natural. It's giving me your hair. Period. Period. Like, this all I'm asking for. Give me your hair. That's it. Just do the wig really exceptionally well, and I don't have nothing to say. That's it. That's what I gotta do. She said same wig, 3 different looks. I'm not gonna include all 3 different pictures because it's just an editing, it might be hard. So I'm gonna screenshot the first picture where it's 2 different styles in the same wig. Girl, your lace is melted and your part is there. That's all I want. You look good. This is Nabri. Come on, Nabri. Period. Nabri. What? The baby hair is laid. The swoop is swooped. The hair is colored. Like, it looks good. Your part's there. Like, look, what more can I ask for? This looks good. I want to know how you did it. How you do this? Your baby hairs is soft and not like, they're not like baby hair, but they're like baby hair. You feel me? I really like this. You really killed that. Wow. Yeah, I like this. You did your fucking thing on that one right there. Nobody is looking terrible. Like, I didn't expect nobody to just come on here looking like real bad, giving me like African auntie. I didn't expect that anyway, but I'm really glad that I have to sit up here and talk about y'all's African auntie looking hair. I'm glad that didn't have to happen, if y'all know what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I'm glad I have to do that. This right here, her name is JaLeah. JaLeah, you fucking look good. JaLeah, this lace is melted. You plucked it to a T. Your baby hair is baby hairing. The curls look good. I like this. I like this a lot. I have nothing to say. That's constructive. You plucked it real good. Maybe I would have plucked it a little more on the sides. Sometimes we tend to over pluck the middle part a little too much, but this looks good. This looks good. But maybe make sure you pluck the side a little more, because I noticed that even if you look at your own hairline, I don't know, at least for mine, like the sides tend to be a little, you can't really tell like this baby right here, but they tend to be a little thinner than the middle part of your head. So I would just recommend to pluck the sides a little bit more. You on to something. I like this. Good job. Ooh. A few of y'all sent me videos, so I didn't want to include the videos. I'm just going to screenshot them at a good part. But this looks good. Your swoop is swooping. Your baby hairs is baby hairing. Your part's there. Your hair is shining. I like this. I like this a lot. You sent me a few of them. I think that's the one I'm going to talk about. But actually, I didn't do this for nobody else, but we got to talk about this curly bob. Did I do this on you? Like, it looked like something I did. Like, you really, this bob looks so good. You plucked it to perfection. The baby hair is looking great. Your part's there. Even the side baby hair looks good. Wow, you must watch me a lot, because that looked good. You must take notes. The plucking is phenomenal. This is really great. Like, good job. Good the fuck job, Cam. Good job, Cam. Let's go, Cam. I like that. I'm not a baby hairless install type person. You know, I try to be, but this right here, I think you might have converted me. This looks good. I would add a little more concealer to my part, but that's it. This is nice. This is nice. You're plucked to perfection. This is giving me natural. Pluck a little more on the sides. I'll pluck a little more on the sides, and that's it. Like, I feel like this looks so good. It's really giving me hair. It's giving me your hair. This is your hair. This is your hair, Adri. This is your hair. One more. I picked a good one. Yeah, let's talk about it. You curled the fuck out of this hair. This looks so good. Your part's parting. Your baby hair baby hairing. Your hair's plucked. The sun is hitting you real nice. It's a nice picture. You took this yourself. I see it. You killed that. You look the fuck good. I like this. You did your thing, Krissa. She was a nice one to end it off. I have nothing to say. I'm gonna shut the fuck up. I liked that. I like that a lot. Good job. Okay, so thank you guys so much for trusting me with giving my opinions. They were kind of repetitive, but you know, we're doing one thing here. It's so much I can say. Everybody did phenomenal. Even if you're not to like my exact standards, none of y'all's wig was like, what the fuck is on your head? I didn't feel that way about nobody. I wasn't concerned about nobody. I think all of y'all could go out into public and not like be talked about. I just feel like my little critiques or something to like better the situation. But everybody, like, I had barely had bad things to say, I feel like. And even with the bad things I had to say, I feel like they were so minuscule that they could just be fixed. And if you take the advice and watch more of my videos, you'll be onto it. I do want to do more videos like this, so I'll announce when I'm doing a part 2. So if you want to be a part of this, if you want to hear my critiques on everything, some of your videos when I say so. I know, don't fill up my inbox again with these pictures. But when I announce I'm doing a part 2, please feel free to send them over. And this was great. I had fun. This was easy. This was chill. I hope the vibe was nice. It wasn't mean. And yeah, so thank you guys for trusting me. My card got full, but I didn't feel like plugging in another card because all I gotta say is bye. So bye, beautiful.